What's the meaning of avid? Avid. Avid.
Avid. Avid. The word avid is an adjective that describes a strong and eager desire or interest in something. It suggests passionate enthusiasm, keen interest, or intense eagerness towards a particular activity or pursuit. An avid person is someone who has a deep passion for a hobby or interest, often to the point of obsession. The term can be applied to any area of interest, from sports to art to literature. In short, avid implies a strong and enthusiastic dedication or commitment towards something that one deeply enjoys or cares about.